I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of Managerial Economics. In this session, I'm going to discuss law of returns to scale. The ultimate purpose of this topic is suppose I am investing in a business, whether I'll be getting a proper return or will my business to be continued or not, I can decide based on this particular concept. Hope you understood. Suppose though I invested, I may not get the proper return. Such cases, I'm going to drop my business, correct? So that is a major concept regarding law of returns of scale. There are three cases. I will let you know what are the cases. First of all, the meaning of law of returns of the scale. The meaning is very simple. Returns to scale explain how the output changes when all inputs such as labor, capital, and land are increased together in the same proportion for the long run. Basically, I'm going to check any one of the parameter. Suppose all the inputs I'm going to increase, it may be like a together at the same proportion, three times or four times. I'm going to increase. What could be the output that I'm going to check out? That is what exactly the meaning of returns. Suppose if I increase the output thrice, but how much extent the output will be increased for very long run. That is what exactly the meaning of returns to scale. Three cases to be familiar, they are increasing returns to the scale, constant returns to the scale, decreasing returns to the scale. So what about these cases? Let me explain first. Let me talk about increasing returns to the scale. When output increases more than proportionately to the input, that is very favorable for the business. A bakery doubles its machines and workers, and the output becomes three times. That means it's very good business condition, and it's very favorable. That means there is an increase in return. What is the reason? Efficiency, there is a division of labor, better use of resources, maximum utilization of the resources. Those things will be happening as a result. My business is getting improved. Of course, I'll continue for my business. Why not? Second one is constant returns to the scale. What is the meaning of that? When the output increases exactly in the same proportion as the input, that is called the constant returns of the scale. A textile company doubles the input to get the exactly double the output. Very proportional. No profit, no loss. So that is called the constant returns of the scale. So that condition is okay, but I won't get double the income or something like that. I hope you understood. Third case is not favorable for me because when the output increases less than proportionately to the input, that is called decreasing returns to the scale. A restaurant tripled size, but the output increases only two times. So three times I increases all my input, but I got only expectation as two times. Why? Because management difficulty, poor coordination between the staffs, there are lack of efficiency. These are because of these factors, my business come down. That is called decreasing returns of the scale. So I hope you understood the three cases. These are very, very important for business perspectives. So in the case of returns of the scale, you have understood how whether the business has to be continued or not. That means it helps the business decide how much to expand and if the expansion will be profitable or wasteful. So that decision I can take based on law of returns of the scale. I hope the topic is fruitful for you because you people are working in the domain of business management. Okay, yeah. So thank you so much for watching this video. Happy learning. Wish you all the very best for your examination. If you are watching our channel first time, I request you to subscribe. Also like this video and share the videos with the stakeholders, those who are working in the domain of management and MBA. Happy learning. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.